Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest gadgets to hit the market and give you the lowdown on whether they're worth your hard-earned cash. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming peripherals with a close look at the Asus ROG Harpe Ace Aim Lab Edition gaming mouse. Let's jump right in. Hey there, gamers! Today, we're talking about the Asus ROG Harpe Ace Aim Lab Edition gaming mouse. Now, this isn't your average mouse. It's designed specifically for esports enthusiasts, promising top-notch performance and a lightweight design that's perfect for those long gaming sessions. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First things first, let's talk design. The Asus ROG Harpe Ace Aim Lab Edition sports a sleek, symmetrical form factor that's comfortable for both left and right-handed gamers. It's got a minimalist aesthetic with tasteful RGB lighting accents, giving it a premium look without being too flashy. Now, what sets this mouse apart are its specs. It boasts an impressive 36,000 dpi sensitivity, making it incredibly precise and responsive, even during the most intense gaming moments. At just 1.90 ounces, it's one of the lightest wireless gaming mice on the market, ensuring smooth gliding and minimal fatigue. But how does it perform in-game? I put the Asus ROG Harpe Ace Aim Lab Edition through its paces with a variety of titles, from fast-paced shooters to strategy games, and I've got to say, I'm impressed. The micro switches deliver clean, satisfying clicks, and the wireless connectivity options, including Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz, ensures minimal latency for a seamless gaming experience. Now, one standout feature of this mouse is its compatibility with AimLabs, a popular aim trainer program used by many competitive FPS players. The Asus ROG Harpe Ace Aim Lab Edition can automatically optimize your mouse settings based on your performance in AimLabs exercises, giving you an edge in your gameplay. Of course, no product is perfect, and there are a couple of minor issues to consider. For one, the DPI switch is located on the underside of the mouse, which can be a bit inconvenient for some users. Additionally, while the included software covers the basics, it lacks some of the premium features found in other gaming mice software. Highlight of the day. So, what's the verdict? The Asus ROG Harpe Ace Aim Lab Edition may come with a hefty price tag. But for esports enthusiasts looking for top-tier performance and a lightweight design, it's worth considering. With its impressive specs, comfortable ergonomics, and seamless performance, it's a solid choice for competitive gaming. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!